First of all, very good morning to all of you. In this class, I am going to start or going to discuss about the DNA fingerprinting. Some points of DNA fingerprinting we have already discussed in previous class. Now in this class, rest of the points and the technology used in the or method used in the DNA fingerprinting we will discuss in today's class. Now in this chapter we have already completed the certain topics except this DNA fingerprinting, that DNA, then discovery of DNA and search of genetic material done by different scientists, Griffith experiment, biochemical characterization of Griffith experiment done by Oswald, MacLean, McCarthy, then Hershey and Martha Chase discovered the DNA is genetic material. Then after, why the DNA is genetic material and RNA is not. So due to the less stability of RNA, because they show greater mutation, and this, if the mutation or any changes caused in the RNA, they do not corrected not corrected by the mechanism of, as we know, the DNA mismatch repair done during or after the replication process. But in case of RNA, there is no such mismatch repairing of mRNA. Now if and also due to the presence of 2' hydroxyl group, the hydroxyl group makes RNA more unstable as compared to the DNA molecule. Then after replication, where the DNA duplication takes place inside the nucleus, in the DNA synthesis cell cycle. Now after the replication, the transcription we have discussed, or in the transcription there is formation of mRNA takes place from the DNA double helical structure, mRNA, rRNA and tRNA. Now in the translation, the protein gets synthesized inside the cytoplasm, where mRNA get transferred from nucleus to the, after the synthesis, from nucleus to the cytoplasm. Now after protein synthesis, we have discussed the Lac-Operon model. Where Lac-Operon model, we have already discussed about how the gene expression takes place in case of bacteria. Now after this, we have discussed about the Human Genome Project, where the 13-year project mainly used for identification and sequencing of genetic material, DNA, or sequencing of nitrogenous bases. Now due to this knowledge of DNA, we also understand the DNA fingerprinting, where we can easily, from this method, we can easily differentiate one individual from other and in the human population. Also we find the similarity among the individual of population. Now with the help of this, we have already discussed about the satellite DNA, where the satellite DNA generally do not code any type of protein, or they are transcriptionally less non-functional, so also said to be non-functional. So mRNA do not synthesize from that type of satellite DNA, or so that the protein also do not synthesize from this, or the satellite DNA only formed by the repetitive sequence, where the short strand of DNA molecule repeats many times or form, that shows the high peak and small peaks after the density gradient centrifugation. Now generally they do not transcribe or synthesize or translate any type of protein. Due to this reason, they are less active, transcriptionally less active, or less active. Due to this reason, they have significant role in identification of different organisms. The basis of satellite DNA is polymorphism. Polymorphism that is shows the polymorphism in in satellite DNA. Satellite DNA. That means the repetitive sequence present in satellite DNA actually differ in different organism, in different human being. For example, if this segment is formed by GC rich sequences, or here is the GC rich sequence, then AT rich sequence, and here is also GC rich sequence, or that GC rich sequence actually repeated many times in particular genetic sequence. So, but these repeat of GC sequence and repeat of AT sequence actually differ in different human being in satellite DNA. So that polymorphism show actually this satellite DNA shows actually polymorphism in different organism. So if we talk about basis of DNA fingerprinting, so polymorphism is a basis of DNA fingerprinting, and DNA fingerprinting. Here is basis of DNA fingerprinting, but the polymorphism which is maybe either AT rich or have, or also AT have AT rich and GC rich segment in the satellite DNA shows different variable sequences in different human being. So due to this reason, due to presence of polymorphism in satellite DNA, we can easily identify or isolate one human from other human. Also from presence of these polymorphism, presence of these AT rich sequence and GC rich sequence present on DNA, we can easily match this sequence of one human or one individual to the other individual, or by the matching of these we can easily differentiate one from other, or we can easily differentiate due to the polymorphism. We can easily differentiate one human being from other human being, and also if they belong to the same group. That means if we take actually, we can easily find the difference in between the genetic material of two individuals with the study of polymorphism or repetitive DNA sequences present on nucleotide sequences present on DNA molecule. Now, how the polymorphism cause in the satellite DNA or on the DNA? So polymorphism is the result of continuous mutation in the genetic material. That is, polymorphism caused only by the mutation. If mutation takes place in satellite DNA or satellite DNA, that means the genetic material get changes from other, or get changes in different organism or from parent to their offspring. If these changes transfer in their offspring, or if mutation takes place in somatic cell, so there is no possibility of transfer of these mutation in offspring. But if mutation takes place in the germ cell, so there is possibility of transfer of that changes or mutation into their offspring. So because the polymorphism is the cause of mutation, as we already know in previous classes how mutation causes that in organism, that is point mutation, frame shift mutation, deletion, addition, substitution, translocation. All these we have already discussed in previous class. So mutation is the cause of polymorphism in the DNA. That is the base of DNA fingerprinting, or this mutation differentiate one human different create difference in between, or create difference in between the genetic material of two individuals. But if the mutation caused in germ cell, so they are easily heritable in they are heritable, so that they can easily transfer from one generation to another generation. If they are somatic, if mutations are two type. One is which takes place in germ cell, and those second type is somatic. If the mutation takes place in somatic cell, so they are inheritable. Germ cell, the mutation which cause in germ cell, that is inheritable, and the mutation which is present in somatic cell, this one is non-inheritable. Now, how the mutation cause in different organism? So during the replication process, there is also mismatch takes place, but mismatch repair takes place in DNA. But some chemicals, some UV radiation also create the mutation. So during the formation of new DNA or daughter DNA, this mutation may be occur in the germ cell or somatic cell. If occur in germ cell, so they are inheritable, or if mutations which are caused in somatic cells, so they are not inheritable. Now, after polymorphism, because as we know that is change in the repetitive sequence present on DNA, or that repetitive sequence actually do not code any type of protein. So there is no any result of mutation caused in human being. That mutation caused on the satellite, which mutation caused on the satellite DNA. So if the mutation caused in those DNA segment which undergoes in translation process, that means that synthesize the protein. So due to the mutation, any complication occur, or that particular protein do not synthesize by the DNA molecule. But if because as we know the satellite DNA generally do not code any type of protein, so that means due to the mutation no significant change occur, no significant complication occur in the human being, because they do not code generally the gene expression do not take place on the satellite DNA, but they have significant role in the identification of or differentiation of one human to the other human. So there these mutation, or due to the presence of the polymorphism on the satellite DNA, or repetitive where the small segment of DNA repeats many times, this repeats are known as VNTR, variable number of tandem repeats. So first DNA fingerprinting denoted by Alec Jeffreys, scientist actually. DNA fingerprinting denoted or identified or discovered by DNA fingerprinting initially developed by Alec Jeffreys. Alec Jeffreys. Now, in this technique, he used DNA probe, satellite DNA as a probe. Use satellite DNA as probe. So, where satellite DNA as a probe, that means satellite, if they use, now probe is simply the chemical which identify or bind with DNA molecule or any of the antigen antibody, bind with generally antigen. If we do any ELISA technique, for example, where the probe is used or chemical that bind with antigen or colored antibody, actually colored antibody, or shows the color if the antigen is present, because antigen and if antigen is present, so specific antibody get bind with the that antigen, or antigen antibody reaction takes place, or due to this reason we can easily identify the particular virus or particular, for example, as we know, particular presence of virus, for example in HIV. Now if we use the satellite DNA as a probe, we can easily identify if the sequences are present, sequences of that DNA is present. So satellite DNA only bind with particular DNA which also have the sequences similar to the satellite DNA. So that's why they use the satellite DNA as a probe. Now after this satellite DNA, and it shows high degree of polymorphism. So due to the high degree of polymorphism among the individual of population or different organism or individual of human population, so due to this reason or polymorphism, we can easily identify or differentiate one individual from another individual. Now the satellite DNA, due to the appearance of high degree of polymorphism, the term used for this VNTR, variable number of tandem repeats. Satellite DNA show high degree of polymorphism or term used for high degree of polymorphism is VNTR. That is variable number of tandem repeats. Variable number of tandem repeats. Now these variable number of tandem repeats actually help in the identification or DNA fingerprinting. Earlier this technique used in Southern blotting. Technique used in Southern blotting Now in the Southern blotting, what are the steps, or by the steps we can easily match the DNA of two individuals. Now with the help of these VNTR, we can easily isolate the DNA fragments, or variable number of tandem repeats, and sequencing takes place. After the sequencing, we can easily identify or isolate the one genetic material from organism or individual. Then we match with the technique, or then after, because the DNA fingerprinting initially developed by Alex Jeffries. Now he used the satellite DNA as probe, or also or the satellite DNA actually shows the high degree of polymorphism, that the term used for high degree of polymorphism is VNTR, that is variable number of tandem repeats. And earlier this technique used in the Southern blotting. And what are the steps that are used in the Southern blotting actually? These now steps involved in the use in DNA fingerprinting or Southern blotting. DNA fingerprinting. Now, as Alex Jeffries DNA fingerprinting, and because these technique earlier used in Southern blotting, so these steps also used in the DNA. These steps also used in the fingerprinting. Now, first step is isolation of DNA. Isolation of DNA. So isolation, that means isolate DNA from the other biomolecules with the help of different enzymes and centrifugation process. As we know, due to the centrifugation process, we can easily degenerate the cell wall, or after the degeneration, different cell biomolecules get separated from the cell and get separated, and we use also different type of enzyme. That means RNA is used for degeneration of RNA, protease is used for degeneration of proteins, like that other biomolecule also degenerated by the use of different enzymes. Then after the DNA get isolated from the cell. Now second is when we isolate DNA molecule, then fragments of DNA takes place. Fragments of DNA by the use of restriction endonuclease. Restriction endonuclease. And restriction endonuclease, the fragments of DNA takes place by an enzyme used in the DNA technology, used in the DNA fingerprinting, where restriction are also used in the biotechnology. The restriction enzyme fragment the DNA at specific site. For example, EcoR first, and an enzyme EcoR first. Restriction enzyme actually cut DNA in between, breaks the phosphodiester bond present in between A and G. So whenever they get the A and G nitrogenous bases in the DNA, they breaks the restriction endonuclease enzyme EcoR first breaks the phosphodiester bond present in between the A and G nucleotides. Now, after the fragmentation, the separation of these fragments takes place by the gel electrophoresis. Separation of fragments done by gel electrophoresis. Gel electrophoresis. Now, when the separation of these fragments takes place, then isolation of these DNA fragments, separation of DNA fragments actually, DNA fragments done by gel electrophoresis, where in the agarose gel, the DNA fragments get separated from each other according to their molecular weight. So the high molecular weight present towards the positive end, or towards the electrode present on the gel electrophoresis plate, or the low molecular weighted DNA present near the weight on gel electrophoresis plate. So the separation of DNA fragments done by the gel electrophoresis, or they are separated according to their molecular weight. Now after the gel electrophoresis, transfer of these fragments on the nylon sheet or also nitrocellulose filter paper. Transfer of DNA fragments on nitrocellulose filter paper and nylon sheet तो नायलॉन शीट पे भी ये ट्रांसफर हो जाते हैं. They are also transferred on the nylon sheet. Now after the transfer of these fragments on nitrocellulose filter paper, the hybridization with probe takes place. VNTR probe. Hybridization with VNTR probe, so that we can when the VNTR probe bind with specific sequence or the sequence which are complementary with the DNA fragments, only those VNTR probe bind with that sequence, and they can easily identify in the number of fragments. We can easily identify in the autoradiography, with the help of autoradiography. Now is examined under autoradiography. Examined by autoradiograph, because the probe show a specific region, or due to the specific reason or with the help of autoradiography we can easily identify these specific sequence of DNA. Now because VNTR, actually a variable number of tandem repeat may vary in different organism or similar in parent and their daughter. So due to this reason we can easily match the parent DNA or daughter DNA. If we use the DNA restriction enzyme for fragmentation of DNA molecule with the gel electrophoresis, they get separated with the help of according to their molecular weight, and these we can easily transfer on nitrocellulose filter paper, and after the autoradiography we can easily sequencing of these fragments of DNA takes place. So sequencing of DNA fragments. By this we can easily identify or separate one DNA from the other DNA. So due to this we can also easily separate one genetic material from the other genetic material due to the polymorphism, due to the satellite DNA present on DNA, because they do not code any type of protein or shows the high degree of mutation, so that they shows the different variable number of tandem repeat in different individual of a population, or in the same family they also the variable number of tandem repeat shows the similarity among the members of family. Now due to this reason we actually find the parent of child, we can easily find the criminal. So they are a criminal. So DNA fingerprinting actually used in the identification of suspect, identification of paternity, and also used in the forensic science. So these are the some important features of the DNA. I hope you like this video and keep listening and watching me, and thank you for listening and watching me.